See, the shaft is not straight, it is curved like in front. Okay, here concavity, head on the medial side, and it must go fit onto the medial side. Like this is the right sided bone, this is the right sided femur, and here is the making of the joint. Here, notch, from notch, here is the ligament getting out like this, attaching to the head here.
Ligamentum
Teres or the head ligament. Okay?
It's the same, Dr. Fovea, fovea, ligamentum teres.
Yes. Fovea is the depression on the bone. The name of the ligament get out here is the ligamentum teres. Bismillah. What is happening this? Okay. Now see here. You know the technique to find how right and left.
Yes.
Okay? Clear?
Clear.
Condyles, this condyles to intercondylar fossa on the back. So this is left-sided bone. Clear, Shiba? Okay. Okay, head. See here the margin of the head. For what? Here is the hyaline cartilage all over. There is no cartilage here. Why? Because here they cut out of the ligament. Here is all neck. All neck. Here upper border of the neck, lower border of the neck. Anterior surface, posterior surface of the neck. Maybe 1.2 or maximum 2 centimeters neck. Here the angle between the neck and the shaft. Neck, shaft, angle. 125 maybe. Less in females. Greater trochanter, lesser trochanter. Intertrochanteric line. If you find a real bone, the line may be prominent. Here it is not so prominent in the plastics. Here it is much prominent, rounded ridge, thick structure. Intertrochanteric ridge. So anteriorly line, posteriorly ridge. Here is the greater trochanter. Which notch you are asking?
Notch here. I think you said
This.
notch.
This. Trochanteric notch. Trochanteric notch. Okay. Whenever you say trochanteric here, don't see greater or lesser, because lesser no notch. So trochanteric notch means always greater trochanteric. Okay, trochanteric notch here. So here is the greater trochanter. This is the upper part of the trochanter, anterior border, posterior border. Here is the superior surface, apex. Here notch inside. Trochanteric notch. Clear, Shabab?
Yes.
Good. Lesser trochanter. Gotahat shaft. Here ridge. Okay. Gotahat. Here shaft. All this is shaft. Full. Here is the thick central part. This is called linea aspera. This. See the two lips of the linea aspera. This is called two lips of linea aspera. Both they diverge in superior aspect and diverge in inferior aspect. This surface has importance with the knee popliteal surface. Good. Here are two condyles. Medial, always think like with the head, medial condyle. Away from the head, outer is the lateral condyle. Small but have more weight transmission role. Less weight transmission role but bigger in size. Condyle have elevation both here or here elevation. This is called epicondyle. This prominence part is called epicondyle. This is condyle, this is epicondyle. This is condyle, this is epicondyle. Here the two surfaces are in line, but here they make a notch. Intercondylar notch. Here intercondylar line. Okay, intercondylar line. Here groove for popliteus. See here. This is the popliteus muscle. From here it will go out popliteus muscle. Here. Where? On the lateral condyle. Here on the medial condyle there is a tubercle, adductor tubercle. Okay. Now, for the attachments, very small attachments, so be careful. You know most of the, yes please.
Yeah, there's a question.
Welcome.
The attachments in the frontal of the femoral are more easier than the posterior surface.
Yes.
So are we supposed to know the origin and insertion, or only the origin?
I have no answer for this question. Find your objectives. Whatever the objective says, you have to do it.
You mean the ossification?
No ossification. No. He is saying for the attachments.
Okay.
All red areas in any bone in the previous models, they are origins. All blue are insertions. Okay? Please find your objectives. I suppose you should be familiar with the attachments and identification of the muscles here. Okay, so start from here. Greater trochanter. Many of them are here. Okay, here gluteus maximus. Here must be two, medius and minimus. Gluteus maximus, medius and minimus must be two lines. They are united here, no problem. Here on the top, piriformis. Piriformis. Here you can see many 1, 2, 3, or one in the trochanteric fossa. Okay, so there are 3, 4 in a row. Like here, gemellus superior, gemellus inferior, obturator externus, obturator internus. Gemellus superior, gemellus inferior.
In the same spot.
And at the same spot.
Yeah.
3 rather. Gemellus superior, gemellus inferior, obturator internus, and externus sometimes here. Or, for example, how are you?
Fine.
Very good. Alhamdulillah.
I just need the